Can you see yourself in the 2019 Toyota RAV4? With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, rear spoiler. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.